All right, so I share a lot of ideas in my life, and I realize that there's not much practical takeaway. And as I evolve and I push this channel down a direction where I'm thinking I want to go, this is an experiment, as usual. Who knows how long this will be up? I might delete it next week. But I want to start talking about the things in my life and the hacks of practical takeaways versus just like self-improvement, theory, all that stuff. And one of these things is my soap, that I have been using this soap from this company for a while. So I went to Michigan to visit a girlfriend, and we stopped in a Yankee Candle, and we kind of were just like smelling all this stuff because Yankee Candle is awesome and stuff. And I came across these soaps, and they were just in the corner. They're Australian Natural Soap is the name of the company, and they're awesome. Oh, they're super good. So they're an all-natural soap, and they're chemical-free, they're environment-friendly, they're made with sustainable palm oils and like whatever they're called, shea butter. So it's a very good company as it appears. And this is not sponsored, by the way, at all. Like, in fact, I reached out to them and they just totally ignored my request to working with them. But I've been buying this soap forever. Each bar is about $3, so it's super cheap. So I bought this whole, I always buy like a whole bunch, and I just like randomly pick some, and they're all awesome, every single one. I wish I could share how awesome it is, and I get excited. Oh, goat's milk is good, wow. Anyways, they're all really amazing. The company, at the time when I started buying it, they didn't even have Instagram. They just don't care. They're just kind of like, yeah, we make soap. It's great. And it's, environmentally friendly, and it's just really good. If you go online, for about 20 years, they've been making soap for Australian and New Zealand markets, as well as private label botanical soap for a number of high-end personal care companies in Australia and Europe, and now worldwide, so on, blah, blah, blah. Honestly, I'm super cheap, and there's a few things that I'm totally okay with, and it's kind of like hygiene, health, and beauty care I'll spend money on. But I just want to share a cheaper alternative because there are a couple high-end soaps, and there's some new ones coming into my world very soon. But I want to make sure that my voice is of reason. So whenever I recommend anything, you truly understand that this is something that I stand behind. It's not sponsored. They could give a crap. In fact, I tried to reach out with them, like I said, and they're like, yeah, no, I don't care. Do whatever you want. They just make soap, and it's affordable. And since I'm a cheap ass most of the time, affordable is good. So I recommend them, and I think it's a good thing because I'll be recommending other things that are, say, more expensive or more niche. I want you to value my opinion and understand that in the past, I grew up with a little bit less financially stable living. So that kind of carries through. My lifestyle hasn't really creeped up too much. So I still buy more affordable things. They have like nicer bars of soap, and I've bought those too. But the point is, I wanted to just share something that has made a big difference in my life, because in my shower, I only have soap, basically. I don't have body wash. I don't do all that craziness. It's basically just soap. And for even about a year, I stopped washing my hair last year. So I just started washing my hair again. So if you look at all the pictures of me on, say, Instagram, or all the videos of me all last year, I never washed my hair once. If I did, it was with this soap, which you shouldn't do. I don't recommend that. It doesn't really work the same. The oils on the head are different. But yeah, so that's my little story about the soap. I can't wait to share other little things that have improved my life and that I get excited about on a very small and personal scale when I'm going through my day. I hope you like this video. And this setup is new. I'm not sure how it'll evolve. I'm trying to figure out what to do so I can film on a rainy day and also not make a big deal about it. So I'd love it if you guys let me know what you think of this studio. what you think of having practical reviews of things in my life. The goal, I'll just say it, it's like basically, as much as I love minimalism, there's a direction that I want to kind of go with a certain lifestyle. And I say, let's call it like a matured or masculine lifestyle, one that's not simply like just masculine, just minimalism, and just like guy stuff. Like, honestly, I find the guy stuff really uninteresting. I think it's kind of really young man's thing, which is cool. I think that there's more value in, say, bringing something up for a younger person that appeals to an older person, and it just kind of takes that younger person and skips them forward years so that they're way ahead of the game. Maybe, I don't know. But anyways, that's kind of the idea, is elevate everyone's personal living and attitudes and theories. And who knows? I don't know. It's evolving. I constantly backpedal on this channel, but yeah, I'm curious what you guys want me to cover in the future. Yeah, not much else to say. Rambly. I'm gonna hit stop now. See you guys later.